Hello?
Hello, Dave. This is Gary. I wondered if you had a few spare minutes.
Yeah, I guess so. What do you need?
I just got a new jigsaw puzzle of a rooster, and I can't seem to get it started. Maybe if you could help me get it started, then I could finish it.
Well, I'll tell you what, Gary. I'm on the road right now, and I have an hour before I need to be anywhere. So, you know what? I'll be over in just a couple minutes.
Hi, Dave. Thanks for coming over.
Hey, no problem. So, where's this rooster puzzle?
Well, it's in here in the kitchen.
Okay, great. This is a puzzle? Let me see the box, Gary. You know, Gary, I don't think you're going to get a rooster out of this.
What's the problem?